stealing muffins out of the break room. I also said a prayer in that echo chamber because it was my intention to bring divinity and to bring God back into the Senate.
Is it about Donald Trump that you felt so fiercely loyal to, that you hung on every word and you interpreted his words in certain ways?
I developed a lot of sympathy for Donald Trump because it seemed like the media was picking on him.
Where I was seeing obviously more pro-Trump videos, and then it led into conspiracy things they started talking about, and then it led into more pro-Trump. So I guess the algorithm must have changed it to where I was seeing obviously more pro-Trump videos, and then it led into conspiracy things. They started talking about like the child rape, and that grabbed my attention since I'm a mom. That's where it started.
We're going to disclose the truth about these technologies so we can stop using this debt-based petrodollar system, stop destroying our ecosystems, you know, with pollution, with ELF frequencies, and these towers and stuff that are sending all these frequencies we can't see that give us cancer and stuff. 5G,
yeah,
it's no joke, dude.
Yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting. I mean, I can see where you could become a Trump supporter, but
Burn it! Somebody light that shit!